How to earn ETH using Rocket Pool. Rocket Pool. It's a staking pool designed for Ethereum 2.0. The protocol is aimed at reducing the financial and equipment requirements for staking on ETH 2.0, thereby enhancing Ethereum's decentralization and security. To accomplish this, Rocket Pool offers a platform for users to engage in trustless staking with a network of node operators. When users stake with these node operators, they are given a rETH to a token equivalent to one staked ETH that earns yield. As long as users' ETH assets remain staked with Rocket Pool node operators, they have full discretion over their rETH, which includes the ability to engage with other DeFi protocols. Step 1. Connect to Rocket Pool. Select the Trust Wallet Web3 browser. Enter https://rocketpool.net/ into the search part and navigate to the website. Locate the staking section and choose Stake. Select Connect Wallet and then choose Trust Wallet. Confirm the wallet connection. Follow the remaining instructions to enter the amount you want to stake, then select Stake.